Have you ever heard people talk about desired state and actual state in Kubernetes and wondered what they actually mean? Because I definitely did.
They're actually much simpler than they sound. The problem is they're often explained with diagrams and technical jargon.
Yesterday, Ada invited me to watch a football match. I thought we were just going to enjoy the game.
And that was the plan.
What I didn't know was that before the match was over, Ada would somehow use football to explain desired state and actual state.
I see Kubernetes in almost everything. And
trust me, hanging out with Ada is never just hanging out.
come with us. Let's show you what happened yesterday.
Please tell me we're not late.
Relax. Kickoff is in 5 minutes.
That's exactly what you said last week. Then you stopped to buy shawarma.
And you ate more than I did.
Because you kept saying, just one more bite.
See? I saved you from watching football on an empty stomach.
You call that saving me? This team looks solid today. No weak players.
That's because the coach picked his strongest lineup.
If I were the coach,
Yeah.
I'd put my best 11 on the field every single match.
That's exactly what every coach wants, the perfect lineup.
Until football decides otherwise. Ouch! That's their best defender.
Watch the coach.
He's already calling another player.
Yeah.
That was fast.
Because the coach has a plan. He won't leave the team incomplete.
So the coach always wants 11 players.
Exactly.
Like they told me at Paxton. But right now, he only has 10.
We're waiting on.
So what's happening on the field isn't what the coach wanted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now you're asking the right questions.
Substitution. Number 18 comes on.
Back to 11 players. Problem solved.
The coach saw something was missing and fixed it.
What is it?
Wait a minute. This looks familiar.
Let me guess, this somehow becomes Kubernetes.
You know me too well. Think of the coach as Kubernetes. Before the match, the coach wanted 11 players. That's the desired state.
Yeah.
When one player got injured, the team dropped to 10 players. That's the actual state. Kubernetes is always comparing those two.
Exactly.
It creates another pod.
Yeah.
Just like the coach sends another player onto the pitch.
Its job is to make reality match the plan again.
So Kubernetes doesn't wait for someone to notice.
Yeah.
It notices first.
That's one of its biggest strengths.
Yeah.
And that's the final whistle. And
Let me see if I've got this. Desired state is what Kubernetes wants.
Yeah.
Actual state is what's happening right now.
Yeah.
If they don't match, Kubernetes works to fix it.
Yeah, perfect. That's called reconciliation. It's one of the reasons Kubernetes is so reliable, you know?
I came here to watch football. Instead, I learned Kubernetes.
That's the price of being my friend.
I'm starting to think nowhere is safe with you.
Definitely not. Next week, we're going to the airport.
Please don't tell me planes explain Kubernetes too.
You'll find out.
So that's how I finally understood desired state and actual state. Turns out it wasn't as complicated as I thought.
Sometimes the best explanations aren't on a whiteboard. They're happening all around us. You just have to notice them.
Which is exactly why hanging out with Ada is dangerous. You think you're gonna watch football and somehow end up learning Kubernetes.
I told you, I see Kubernetes in almost everything.
I'm starting to believe you. Grayson.
If this story helped make Kubernetes a little easier to understand, then we've done our job. Yeah.
And trust me, this won't be the last time Ada turns an ordinary to a cloud lesson.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Hopefully without another surprise Kubernetes lesson.
No promises. Bye.